Hello, hello everyone, Kyung here, and so we have something a little different today. So the last item that was picked for the Think Outside the Box challenge was tinfoil or aluminum foil or whatever. And I haven't watched anyone else's thing yet, but I did see a picture of Rhoda's, and I know that she used a lid of, and I thought, oh, that was so clever. But I just have like just regular tin foil, and oh, I've been racking my brain. What do I do? What do I do? I don't know. So I thought we would try to make beads. I don't know. Why not? Why not try? Why not try? So I'm just going to take a little tiny piece of tin foil, and I'm going to take this is an ice pick actually. It's a vintage one that belonged to my grandmother. I think it was my dad's mother's ice pick. I don't know. I think it was like made in the 40s or something. I don't know. It's really cool though. It needs kind of tightened up here though, because this part's kind of, I think it's supposed to turn, but maybe not like that much. But I use it as an awl. It's a very good one. But anyway, I thought we would use it. And I'm just going to wrap the tin foil around it like this. Then I thought I would like squish it down onto the handle like that to kind of help me shape it. Oh, I kind of got it a little crooked. It's not the most it's right. There's more on this side than there is on this side, but we can try again. Let's try again. Try to be more mindful. Try to squeeze it evenly around the thing, and then push it down. Right, I'm going to turn it around and do the same thing on the other side to like flatten it. There'll be like little homemade beads, right? We can make dangles or something, like glue dangles out of them. There we go. See? And then I thought maybe we'd paint them or something. So I have gold, right? So I have a couple things. I have gold paint, acrylic paint. I brought out some alcohol inks as well. So we can try the alcohol ink and see how that does. Let's paint this one. Right, we'll just paint this one gold. And then the next one we'll do. And then, I don't know. They're like little homemade beads. They kind of look like moon rocks. I couldn't think of anything else because I know that the rule was you couldn't use it flat, right? You couldn't use the tinfoil flat, right? But they actually might make cool dangles. We'll see when we're done, huh? It might also be really tacky and bad. I don't know. We'll see. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's, I think, way too much. Should we try to make like a littler one? Try to make a smaller one. Just be careful with your pointy end. Trying not to stick myself. Oh, okay. So here's a smaller one. Let's see, I have this kind of red alcohol ink. These are homemade ones I made using alcohol, like Sharpie marker. I could just spray it. Should we just spray it? My sprayer might be clogged. I would imagine so. We'll just get some on there and then roll it around. Right? It's kind of like a dark red kind of color, like a burgundy. I don't want to get my hands in it. Don't know how successful this is going to be. Where's my little Timmy towel? Let me wipe off my brush. Shall we try to just get it with the brush? Just try to get it with the brush. That's better. There we go. I like the way the alcohol ink comes out. I think better than the paint, which makes sense, you know. That makes sense. We have a blue alcohol ink too. Oh, I like that one. That one came out kind of pretty. We could try to get some of that inside. There we go. And let that dry. Okay. And we'll make one more. Why not? They might make great little beads for glue dangles. Maybe that's what I'll make. Okay. And we'll do the blue next. Okay. Oh no. I've got red on my brush. Oh, okay. And we dumped some, so there we go. There's that. We got some. There's going to be a little bit of purple on here, but that's okay. Just trying to drench it with the blue. Looks like the red did better with the dyeing the blue, but I still like the way the alcohol ink looks better than the... You know, and this is homemade alcohol ink, so, you know, maybe the darker that I actually put some of that red in might do better. Okay, we will leave that to dry. I do like the way that this one came out. And here's our gold one. Right, so let's grab some of this jewelry stuff. Let's see. What do I have? I don't have a lot of jewelry making things because I don't do a lot of that. But I have these, and I think these might work for my purpose. I think the holes are very big, aren't they? They're huge because of what I used. I think I'm just going to wrap it around like that. Do you think I would have, again, do you think I have my tools down here? No, I can't seem to find my needle nose pliers. Oh, that was not dry. Okay, and look, it's all messing it up and stuff because it's not like an actual bead, so you have to be mindful. But there we go, and I'm going to clip off this little end. Ta-da! And now we have this thing, right? And it can be used as like a dangle. It's like a little bead, and I totally just dyed my fingers red. And I had avoided that. Oh, you know what? We could use one of these. That would be fancy. Let's do it. Hey, when you think outside the box, sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't work out. We do the best we can with what we've got. Ta-da, look, it's like an earring. But it's not, it's a dangle. It's like a bead dangle, but made out of tin foil. I'm not so sure how successful it is. Right? It would definitely keep you from not losing your pin. Right? Attach it to a pin with our others. But anyway, that's kind of the idea. I'm not so sure how successful it was, but we tried it out. Tinfoil was a very hard prompt, I will say. I feel like it would be hard to use it normally, let alone outside the box. But yay, I had fun, and I had fun trying to think outside the box. So, and then it should be a busy week because tomorrow I'll have another one tomorrow because it's my week to pick. So I will have a video tomorrow picking what the next prompt will be, and then I will have a video after that on envelopes. So that will be that. Oh, and then I have a journal I'm about done. So I will have a flip through of that. So there are my little ones, my little dangly tinfoil beads. And anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.